What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply for IPOs using VM's Wealth Edge IPO platform. So if you don't have an account, the first thing you need to do is create an account. Once you're on their website, all you need to do is select sign up and complete the registration process, right? Now, I already have an account, so I'm not going to go over the process of doing that. It's very easy to do, guys. Just fill out the basic information about yourself and you're all set. So once you've completed that, sign into your account, right? Once you're in, you're landed on the main dashboard where you'll see past IPOs and the current ones. Like now, it's the Regency IPO and you can apply. But before you apply, the first thing you need to do is go under the accounts tab, right? And add account. So you need to complete the account details, your first name, your last, you know the whole works, right? Your JCSD number and select your broker, and also upload your ID. Then once you're done with that, then you can go to my offerings, select apply. Then from the accounts tab, you'll be able to see your account number. Select your account number, then select the share pool which applies to you. So most likely it's the general public, so select the general public. You can specify dollar value or shares. If you specify dollar value, then the fees will be deducted. When you select shares, the fees will then be added on the total amount that you are going to invest. So let's say you want 10,000 shares, right? You see that the amount payable will be 10,172.50. However, if you had specified dollar value of $10,000, then you'll see the difference. It deducted your fees. So I'm going to go with shares. Select your payment method, whether you're going to do a broker transfer, in-bank transfer, online transfer, VM settlement. I am going to be doing an online transfer. Select which best applies to you. Get the account number, add them on your online platform, and make the online transfer. In the description of your online transfer, ensure to specify the applicant name, the JCSD number, and the name of the offering. So in this case, it's Regency IPO. And very importantly, I know I'm not going any harder, but number one, do not round up or transfer amount other than indicated. So you're going to transfer exactly $10,172.50, whatever you are applying for. You're going to specify the reference number and the institution which you are making the payment from. So I'm going to head over my banking platform now to complete this transfer. So in the details of your transactions, you want to ensure you have your name, the JCSD number, and the name of the IPO. Don't forget to grab the reference number of your transaction. Specify your bank name. For the proof of payment, you can take a screenshot as well as you can download the PDF and then upload it. Now browse for your proof of payment and boom, voila, you're done. Now accept the disclaimer and then select submit. Now at this point you need to write your signature on a piece of paper or something, right? And then upload it to the platform. Ensure that the signature that you're uploading is small, because if it's a large image, then it will fail while you're uploading the image. However, before you apply for any IPO, make sure you read the prospectus, right? If you're too lazy to read the prospectus, Learn Grow Invest has done a excellent review of the prospectus. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, but make sure you still read the prospectus for yourself and develop the habit of reading the prospectus, because over time it's like a walk in the park. The name prospectus may sound a little bit complicated, but it's just a PDF containing all the information you really need to know about the IPO or the offering that you're applying for. If you're a beginner to investing or you want a refresher, you can take my course on Udemy. Right now it's on a Black Friday sale. You can also check it out. The link is in the description of this video. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.